Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're well. It's been a minute. I'm back yet again with another video. In today's video, I'm taking you along as I clean my dreadlocks. So without much further ado, let's get started. Philippians 4:4 says, "Rejoice in the Lord always." Again, I say rejoice. So in today's video, I want to take you along as I clean my locks. And by the way, I did install my locks myself, and I did this video a day after I did the installation. I know you might be wondering, why would I clean my locks immediately after installing them? I don't know, but for some reasons, each time I install my locks, I always feel some itchiness in my scalp, and to help is that I always just clean my locks immediately after, or even the day after. So this is the second time I'm installing my locks myself, and I'm just getting better at it each day. So I had installed my locks a few months ago, that is at Locs by Karim, and I didn't have the locks for a long time. I had to remove them prior to the time because there's something I really wanted to attend to, and I didn't want to attend to it with my locks on. So I decided to remove them, and I wanted them to be installed back once I was done with the thing, only to come and realize that where I did install my locks, they don't use old locks, or rather they don't reinstall old locks. If you want locks installed, you buy new ones. I did understand, but then I didn't want my lock extensions to go to waste, so I decided, why not? I mean, I had installed my locks a few months back, why not do it again? So I waited until I had enough time to do that, and I did it. So this is me just cleaning my locks. I really enjoy the feeling of water from head to toe. It just makes you feel so good. And just so you know, I always clean my locks using a brush. That way I feel my locks get cleaned so well. So the brush is not hard, it is a soft brush, and hence it's not harsh to my scalp. So I went in with the shampoo because my hair wasn't that dirty, so I just used two shampoos, that is the first and the second, and then I went in with my conditioner. As you've seen from the video, I mixed 3 conditioners, that is
2,000
the egg and
years
milk,
later.
the city dip treatment, and then the mint conditioner. Then left it on my head for a while as I took a shower, and then I just washed it off. And yeah, that is it. I now feel my hair is so clean, so fresh, and it's just a really nice feeling. After this, I'm going to go ahead and do some lock twists, or rather invisible twists, on my locks, and just let my scalp rest. And as you can see, my scalp is now so clean and so fresh. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching to this far. If you haven't liked the video, kindly just take a second and appreciate other video by giving it a like. Should you have any comments as well, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll be really glad to respond to them. Don't forget to rejoice in the Lord always. So until next time, allow me to say bye and peace.